Antonov State Enterprise, formerly the Aeronautical Scientific Technical Complex named Antonov, and earlier the Antonov Design Bureau, after its chief designer, Oleg Antonov, is a Ukrainian aircraft manufacturing and services company. Antonov's particular expertise is in the fields of very large aeroplanes and aeroplanes using unprepared runways. Antonov has built a total of approximately 22,000 aircraft, and thousands of its planes are currently operating in the former Soviet Union and in developing countries. Antonov STC is a state-owned commercial company. Its headquarters and main industrial grounds were originally located in Novosibirsk and in 1952 were transferred to Kyiv. On 12 May 2015 it was transferred from the Ministry of Economic Development and Trade to the Aeronautical. In June 2016, Ukraine's major state-owned arms manufacturer Aeronautical announced the creation of the Ukrainian Aircraft Corporation within its structure to combine all aircraft manufacturing enterprises in Ukraine. The company was established in 1946 at the Novosibirsk Aircraft Production Association as the top-secret Soviet Research and Design Bureau (No). Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.